Hello friend, welcome back. Exploratory Tester, the tool which is already being loved by thousands of testers out there, which is helping them quickly do the exploratory testing or smoke testing in any page just in single click within a second. Now it is becoming more smart, and smartly it will understand what your page is about, and it will add more test cases, cover more test cases for that particular page automatically. So it is becoming smarter now and automatically understand. So you see that you open any page, like let's say SelectorsHub page. Let me open few more pages, flipkart.com, and let's say this Swaroop Nadella. Let me open one more, testing tidbits by Rahul Pawar. So multiple types of website we have opened. Now you just click on this exploratory tester here. You see that it has automatically detected that there is a data table, list view, landing page, marketing, something like that. So if you click on this, it will show you which all other test cases it has covered apart from those 21 static scenarios. So this is going to be very helpful, that smartly it will cover more test cases for your pages based on what your page is about. Isn't it amazing? So meanwhile you start your like business use cases, actual testing, it will automatically cover multiple scenarios for your pages, and it will help you that which all scenarios, which all test cases it has covered. And it also shows now the information like browser details here, your OS system version and details, as well as the timestamp, date and timestamp. Very helpful. Like this is Flipkart. Okay, now let's click on this. So if there will be any particular type of scenarios it will detect, it will cover them. Okay, so now this has not, on this page it didn't detected anything. Fine, let's another page, go and check. In this page it has detected form data entry. So you just click on this here. These are the test cases, what is warning, what is passed fail, that you can check. So automatically it will detect and let you know. Then next let's try on this page. Okay, so it didn't detected anything specific, so it didn't tell us. So now you can try multiple pages, different kind of pages. If it will detect something extra, it will cover those scenarios as well. So basically it is becoming smarter. Like on this page it has found data table, list view, checkout, and payment as well. So for the payment also it has covered some of the scenarios here. And where's the payment? Let's see if there is a payment something. So if there will be something payment related thing on your page, that also it will automatically detect. So you see that smartly it is detecting more scenarios as well based on your DOM and framework structure. So this is also so these are the smart test cases now it will cover, as well as we have added this browser information, system information, and the timestamp, which will be more helpful for you without like going and checking each and everything, browser version, OS version. Automatically you are getting these details from here. So this is another great feature which we have added in Exploratory Tester, and of course like it will day by day we will try to make it more smarter, so that more testing, more scenarios are being covered by this particular tool without you wasting any more time, and you can focus in your actual business use cases and testing of your application. Hope you are enjoying Exploratory Tester. Please do share it with others if you haven't shared it yet, and do rate this tool because it's new and already being trusted by thousands of testers and being used. Please do rate this and share it with others. I'm sure you are enjoying it and others will also enjoy this. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.